morning students. Today we are going to study about the topic light. Okay, last class we discussed about light, right? What are they? What makes things visible? Then laws of reflection, then regular and diffused reflection. Okay, now we are going to study about what sunlight, white or colored. Okay, sunlight is white color or other color. Okay, now we are going to study about. Okay, the sunlight is referred to as what? White light. We all know that it is white light. It consists of 7 colors. Okay, that we don't know. Okay, for that we are going to study one experiment. Okay, activity 16.7. First we want to take what? Plain mirror of suitable size. Then place it in a bowl. Okay, then fill the bowl with what? Water. Put this arrangement near a window in such a way that direct sunlight fall on the mirror. Then adjust the position of the bowl so that the reflected light from the mirror falls on the white wall, or fix a white sheet or white paper on it. Okay, then reflected light will be seen to have what? Many colors. Okay, the mirror and the water form like a prism. Okay, then this breaks up the light into different colors. Splitting of light into colors is known as what? Dispersion. Okay, dispersion of light. The rainbow is a natural phenomena showing dispersion. Okay, ma, about this experiment only we are finding that sunlight does have more colors. Okay, by this experiment. Try this experiment. Okay, then the next topic is what is inside our eyes. We know we all have eyes. Okay, what is in our eyes? What are the parts of eyes? Eye is one of the most important sense organ, right? If any dust particles go inside the eyes, what happen? The eyes, we are crying, right? The eyes becomes watery, right, because of the dust. So it is a sense organ, important sense organ. Therefore, important to understand its structure and also its working. Okay, it is an important sense organ, so we want to study about it, its structure and also working we want to study. Okay, the eye has a roughly spherical shape. It is in spherical shape. The outer coat of the eye is a white. Okay, it is tough so that it can protect the interior of the eye from accident. Okay, the tough helps to protect the interior of the eye from accident. It transparent. It is transparent. Front part is called what? Cornea. Okay, behind the cornea what? We find a dark muscular structure called iris. In the iris there is a small opening called the pupil. Okay, see the picture, ma. Here is a structure of human eye. Here the cornea we find what? Dark muscular structure. What is that? Iris. Okay, then in the iris there is a small opening called what? Pupil. The size of the pupil is controlled by the iris. The iris is a part of eye which gives what? Distinct color to our eyes. Okay, when we saw that the person have green eyes, we refer actually to the color of the iris only. The iris control the amount of light entering into the eye. So it has a control power. Okay, then behind the pupil of the eye is a lens which is thicker in the center. Okay, behind the pupil of the eye what is there? Lens which is thicker in the center. Okay, The lens focuses what? Light on the back of the eye on the layer called what? Retina. See the picture, there is a retina, right? The lens focuses what? Light on the back of the eye on layer called what? Retina. Then cone sense color at the junction of the optic nerve and the retina. There are no sensory cell, so no vision is possible at that spot. This is called what? Blind spot. Okay, the cones which are sensitive to bright light, so the rods which are sensitive to dim light. Okay, there are two kinds of cell in the optic nerve. What are they? Cones and rods. Cones which are sensitive to bright light, rods which are sensitive to dim light. Okay. If the cone sense color at the junction, optic nerve and the retina, there is no sensory cell. So no vision is possible at that spot. So it is called what? Blind spot. Okay. Then activity 16.10. Get a square piece of cardboard of size 6 to 8 centimeter. Then make 2 holes. Then thread a string through the 2 holes. Draw a paste a cage on one side of the cardboard and bat on the other side. Twist the string and make the cord twirl rapidly. Do you see the bat in the cage? The movies there we see are actually a number of separate pictures in the proper sequence, but they are made to move across the eye usually at the rate of 24 pictures per second. Okay, so we see a moving picture there. Then nature has provided eyes with eyelids to prevent what? Any object from any object entering the eye. Eyelids also shut out light when not required. Okay, eye is such a wonderful instrument that is clearly see distant object as well as object nearby. Oh, eye is a wonderful instrument. It's clearly observe what? Distant object as well as nearby object. Our eyes are very visible, right? The minimum distance at which the eye can see object distinctly varies with age. According to the age, the distance of the object visible is correct. Okay. The most comfortable distance at which one can read with a normal eye is about 25 centimeter. Some persons can see what? Close to them clearly but cannot see distinct objects so clearly. So, some person cannot see object nearby but they can see object distant object, right? Because of why? The corrective lens, the defect of eyes can be corrected. So only then, particularly in old age, eyesight become what? Foggy. It is due to what? Eye lens become cloudy. When it happens, persons are said to be what? Cataract. This is a loss of vision in the old age. Okay. Then how we want to care our eyes? Okay. If there is any problem, you should go to the eye specialist. Okay. We want to contact with the eye specialist if there is any problem in our eyes. If advised, use suitable spectacles. Okay, we use spectacles for that. Too little or too much light is bad for eyes. Insufficient light cause what? Eye strain and headache. Too much light like the sun, a powerful lamp or laser can injure what? The retina. So avoid this. Then do not look at the sun or a powerful light directly. Okay, using the spectacles it is okay, but don't see with the direct eyes. Okay, then never rub your eyes frequently. Okay, if particles of dust go into your eyes means wash your eyes with clean water. If there is no improvement, go to doctor. Okay, don't rub your eyes. Always read at a normal distance for vision. Do not read by bringing the book too close to your eyes, okay, or keeping it too far. Okay, don't get closer or don't at a distance, okay, not at a distance. In a normal place we want to, normal distance we want to read our book, okay. Then if food is deficient in some components, eyes may also suffer. So we need what? Vitamin A food items. What are they? Carrot, green vegetables, and liver oil are rich in vitamin A. Then eggs, milk, curd, cheese, butter, and fruits such as papaya, mango are rich in vitamin A. So eat this type of foods, okay, for good and healthy eye, okay. Then the next topic is visually impaired person can read and write. For example, some person including children can be visually impaired, so they can't able to see, they are blind, so they have very limited vision to see things. Some person cannot see at all since birth. Then some person may lose their eyesight also because of a diseases or an injury. Such person try to identify things by touching and listening to the voice more carefully, because they don't know, they don't have eyes, so they listen and touch the object and find out it, okay. They develop their other sense more sharply because they don't have eyes, so they use other sense organs sharply, okay. Then here they have given one visually challenged person, okay. What is the braille system? The most popular resource for visually challenged person is braille, okay. Louis Braille himself here, what, visually challenged person, developed a system for visually challenged person and published it in 1821. The present system can be adopted in 1932. This is a braille code for common language. In mathematics, a scientific notation, many Indian languages can be read using what? Braille system. He introduced a braille system, okay. Braille system has what? 63 dots pattern or characters. By touching it, they can identify the characters and letters, okay. A common word or a grammatical sign also. Dot are arranged in a cell of 2 vertical rows of 3 dot each, okay. Patterns of dot to represent what? Some English letters and some common words are shown below, okay. For cat they have given what? Dot, right? For C they have given 2 dot, for A 1 dot. Likewise they, using this dot, by touching it they can identify the letters, okay. Then visually challenged people learn the braille system by beginning with letters, then special characters and letter combination, okay. Then method depend upon recognition by touching. Each character has to be memorized, okay. Then only they understand the letters correctly by touching. Braille text can be produced by hand or by machine. The typewriter like device and printing machines have now been developed. First they have touched, then they use what? Machine. If they are doing what? Nowadays they are doing what? Typewriting machine also, for that. Printing machines also developed. In this visually challenged people, they have developed what? School, and also they have what? Many specialities, okay. Okay ma, that's all about today's topic. Thank you.